So let's turn to meteorologist Lisa Meadows, who's tracking Nate and what it's doing.
Another storm, guys. This one coming through the Gulf, those warm Gulf waters, of course, feeding this storm. It is a tropical storm at this time, not a hurricane, but forecast to become a hurricane before it makes landfall. Here's the latest satellite picture. Not seeing a well-defined eye wall, but have seen a little bit better structure with this particular storm. So here's where we have the hurricane warning in place. It's in pink. It includes the area of New Orleans, and the New Orleans mayor putting out warnings earlier today.
The National Weather Service has shared that Nate has shifted slightly eastward, and the hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning with 50-mile-per-hour winds. Nate is expected to move into the Gulf of Mexico by this evening, form into a hurricane, and potentially approach the Louisiana coast by Saturday evening.
So he's talking about that shift in the forecast track of this storm. These are different forecast models, one outlier toward Florida, but the rest of them all making their way in that same location. Something that's really awesome about America's Air Force, hurricane hunters. Now, they're based out of Biloxi, and they're actually right in the path of this storm, but they're continuing to bring these hurricane hunter aircraft moving through the storm, and that's giving us more information about what exactly we're seeing with the pressure and therefore structure of the storm. Right now, it is, like I said, just a tropical storm moving north-northwest at 22 miles per hour. We're seeing 65-mile-per-hour winds, but once it gets closer to the coast, it is forecast to be a Category 1 hurricane coming up here going into Sunday, guys.
All right. How about that job? Hurricane hunter going in the eye of that hurricane. Huh?